Another referendum on the ballot this November, this time in Middleton, and that's to address a citywide staffing shortage.
In order to cover the cost, residents will see their yearly property tax bill go up. It is the first time the city's posed a referendum like this, but as officials told our Arman Rahman, it's necessary to keep up city services.
Yeah, Charlotte, over the last 5 years, Middleton's population has gone up 14%, but this year alone, the city's lost 29 positions. So the referendum in November will add 2 more police officers, a city communications specialist, and parks crew member by raising the yearly tax levy by $770,000.
It's going to go down a slippery slope that I really never wanted to see in Middleton.
Police Chief Troy Hillenbrand says as the population of Middleton's gone up, so have the calls for incidents like violence and mental health crisis.
So as a police department, we're really seeing the stress on the staff.
But if he continues with just 39 patrol officers,
there are a number of calls for service that we are looking to cut in 2023 if we can't add staff. Possibly responding to EMS calls. We'll stop doing that. So not responding to fire calls. We currently do lockouts as a public service that we'll probably have to look to eliminate.
It's not just growing pains. Alder Kathy Olson says the job market has caused more city employees to leave.
We've lost 29 positions in this year alone. 17 full-time staff have left.
That's why a referendum is on the November election ballot to boost city staffing. It also calls for a 4% increase in non-union city wages.
We will be faced with the problem of are we going to be able to retain our employees? Are we going to be able to attract new employees for this?
But citizens will have to pay for it.
We've not gone to voters before to ask for an operating referendum, so this is unique, and we fully recognize that this is something challenging that we're asking people to consider.
The referendum will increase property taxes by $20 a year per $100,000 in property value.
I don't know that there's any other ways. We've looked at all number of ways of raising revenue, beyond a referendum. Those options like a wheel tax and other things just don't work to provide the level of revenue that's needed to sustain these.
City Administrator Brian Gaddow says without the referendum,
we'll have to have some hard conversations about what services we continue to provide.
And if the referendum passes, taxpayers will start seeing their property taxes go up in December.